instantly transport you out of New Jersey and into another world. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an unboxing for the new Ultimea Skywave X40 5.1.2 wireless surround sound system. So let's get into it and I'll show you what comes inside the box, how to set it up, and how well it sounds. To attach the center channel to the right side, you insert these brackets or these screws right here, or these bolts right here to the opening here, and then you twist it. Like so, and then you twist it. It's very easy to do. And then you just repeat the same step for the other side. And then you twist. So this is how the Ultimea Skywave X40 looks. You have your sound bar, you have your two rear speakers, and then you have your subwoofer. So let's take a closer look how everything looks. So this is how the soundboard looks. You have your speakers right here in the center, and then you got a speaker on top also. Here are your controls. So this is your power on, your source, your Bluetooth, lower the volume, raise the volume, and you turn it over to the back. You have your mounting screws right here. You have your two HDMI ports. You have your optical, USB, and then your power. And this is how the speakers look. On the back, you have your mounting screw, and then to pair it, same as the other one. And then here's your subwoofer. You have your speaker on the side. On the back, you have your porthole, your power adapter, and then your on and off button right there. So let's see the included accessories that it comes with. So you have your HDMI cable, you have an optical cable, you have your power adapters right here, you have mounting brackets if you want to mount it to the wall. Brings your mounting screws and your anchors right here. And you have your remote control. So the way to set it up, you just put it in the front, like so. Put the power where the power goes. And then you're either able to set this up via Bluetooth, HDMI, optical. So I'm going to be using the included optical cable here. Like so. Hook this up to my TV. So this is the sound with the TV. And let me show you with the sound bar. On the other, a lakeside escape where your biggest problem is deciding pool or lake first. We skipped the main hotel and went for so the audio sounds very clear with the Ultimea soundbar. I like how you're able to set up the rear speakers anywhere that you want, because all you need is just an outlet to plug in for the power, and then you press the sync button to sync it once you're ready to sync it to your soundbar, and on the bottom is where you plug it in. So I have one rear speaker here, I put another rear speaker on this side, and then I have the subwoofer hidden on the back right here. So with this Ultimea app, you see which device is connected. I have my Skywave X40, and then you click on here, and then you're able to mute the device, raise the volume, lower the volume, change the EQ to different standards. You can play with the surround sound, the up firing, the X up mix. Then you can even customize it to which EQ that you want. And then if you want to really customize it, you set your different points where you want it. So this app works very well. And you could turn the power on and off. You could change your different sources. So you don't even need the remote control to change and lower the volume of your surround sound. You can also buy this from their official website and get early bird pricing. So this is a great deal to purchase this from the website. overall, this is a great 5.1.2 Ultimea soundbar. I love how the sound comes out of this. I also like that it has the Atmos audio system. I like the 2 up-firing speakers and the speakers right here in the center. I also like how the rear speakers in the subwoofer, you're able to place it anywhere since they're connected wirelessly. All you need is just an outlet just to power them on. I also like how you're able to use the app to control the soundbar, raise the volume, lower it, mute it, change the EQ settings. It's very convenient, and the overall setup is very easy to do. So this is a great soundbar if you want to play music, watch movies. The audio quality sounds very good and clear. Thanks for watching.